Cordova, and yep, we got those lingering clouds on out there. Let's get it over to Dirk now with our forecast.
Yeah, forecast. It's kind of cool. Still cloudy outside. And look at this. Live Copter 3 showing us Folsom Lake, which is sitting at 96% of capacities. There's only 4% left to fill, and this would be completely full up to capacity. And it's actually still growing at about 2,000 cubic feet per second. We have flowing into Folsom right now. So it's a beautiful sight to see a full Folsom Lake. And so it's been nice. With the rain that we've had has helped out as well, too. Cool and mostly cloudy the rest of today and through the night tonight. We're going to continue with some clouds. Clouds will eventually start clearing Wednesday morning, but really not clear completely until Wednesday afternoon. And then we'll notice those temperatures start to warm up. It's going to be sunny and warming for the rest of the week. In fact, with temperatures that will be climbing into the 90s by the weekend. Right now, 67 degrees in Sacramento, 64 in Stockton, 65 Modesto, and Lake Tahoe currently 56 degrees. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how much rain we've received so far this season. Looking pretty good. Sacramento at 16.69 inches is at 97% of normal, at 117% of normal in Stockton with almost 15 inches of rainfall. Modesto's at 110% with 12.67 inches, and Lake Tahoe also at 110% of what we typically see up to this point in the season, with close to 20 inches of liquid precipitation so far this season. Now, we did get a little bit of snow last night, but the snow really not too much of an issue. It caused a few problems overnight, but it's pretty much cleared out quite a bit. And you can see just the cloud cover banking up on the west slope of the Sierra and across the valley. We're seeing a few breaks here and there, but another little wave is coming through, and that's what's causing these showers that are starting to pop up in through Plumas County and on into Sierra and Nevada County. So you can see this line right there. You got a little boundary that's set up, and it's pushing into the northeast corner of California. So that's going to continue to slide through. So those showers will decrease, though, as we get into later on tonight. But here's 6:30. We'll still see some active weather in the mountains popping up. And then as we get into tomorrow morning, it's all gone. And we're looking at just some lingering clouds, mainly in the valley and in through the foothills. That will clear out by Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures will respond by warming into the upper 70s, so close to where we should be for this time of year. And then we see a little bit of marine layer blow in for Thursday morning, and then it'll back off, giving us some sunshine in the afternoon with temperatures in the 80s. And then Friday, similar situation. We could see some early morning low cloud cover as the marine layer thickens up, and then the afternoon warming up into the 80s once again. Temperatures tomorrow, like I said, upper 70s for Yuba City, Sacramento, Stockton, and Modesto. Fairfield 77 degrees, Auburn 72, and Truckee will be warming up to 67 degrees. Your 7-day forecast shows that warming trend. Yeah, look at those numbers. Warming into the 80s by Thursday and Friday, 90s by Saturday and Sunday, and we continue to warm into Monday and Tuesday. Look at those numbers into the upper 90s. So that means there's going to be some triple digits around.
Yeah, absolutely. Just like that. All right. Thank you, Dirk.